Okay, so now we're going to see how you really feel about money. I have an extremely powerful exercise that I can't wait for you guys to do. Now, I don't want you to edit, I don't want you to hold back, nobody is going to see this, but I want you to. I'm going to give you a saying, and I want you to then fill in the answer 10 times. I'll do it 10 times because the first couple of times it's like, yeah, but then you really get into your subconscious mind and you really get the answers. And it's really important. We really want to get your awareness. We want to find out what you're really thinking so that we can change it. So awareness is everything. So don't edit. Don't write what you think is the right answer. There's no right or wrong answer. I want you to write the first thing that comes to your mind 10 times. So grab a pen and paper and pause me. Look at the pretty ocean while I'm paused. Well, I can't not pause. Pause me now while there's a pretty ocean there. So I want you to write out 10 times. Answer this. Money is, then write the answer 10 times. We want to get into your subconscious mind. We want to know what you really, really think, because awareness is everything. And then once we get the awareness, we know what to change it, because you'll be using these answers throughout the rest of the 100 videos. It's really, really important. No editing. No one's going to see it. No right or wrong answer. I don't care if you're writing money is effing evil, it's the like end of the world, like blah blah blah, like rah, crazy. I want you to get that out now, get that awareness, and then we will be looking at it and changing it later. So it's really, really important. No one has to see it. Don't edit. Don't put the right answers. Honestly, just put what comes out. It's really powerful. So recap, right, money is, and then answer that 10 times. Let me know how you get on. Let me know some answers in the comments, because your answers will help other people as well. They might be stuff that they think, oh yeah, I do think that, but that didn't come up when I wrote. All right, so let me know how you get on in the comments below.